Let's look at a common issue. This is a beautiful Contax S2 Titanium, the 60th anniversary model from 1992. A fully mechanical camera with an amazing Carl Zeiss 28-85 Vario Sonnar T-Star zoom lens. But the lens rubber ring looks faded and almost powdery or dusty in appearance. The rest of the lens, including the aperture ring, appears to be good. So let's fix the focus ring rubber back to the new condition look. Take the lens out and put both caps on. Get yourself one of those water-based baby wipes, not the oily ones. Wipe the rubber and clean its surface. The baby wipes are made of some tough stuff and don't leave residue behind like tissues. After it's dry, get some masking tape and cover everything except the rubber ring. Do it carefully right to the edges. If necessary, adjust the edges as you go to be precise. Get one of these sprays from those places where you buy car accessories and supplies. These are used for rejuvenating and protecting the plastic in car interiors such as the dashboard and the steering wheel. Don't spray on the lens itself. Spray in a little container. Get a flat painting brush, like the ones used for acrylic or oil painting. Mix the liquid to make sure it's perfectly even. Then paint over the rubber along the grooves, in both directions. You need an even coat over the whole thing. Move forward steadily. Don't stop in one spot and don't let it dry. Then use a blower or cold hair dryer to make it dry to the touch. Without waiting any further, remove the masking tape. You'll find there's a little leak from the edges of the bumps. Clean it with a kitchen tissue before it dries. Now the other side. The rubber is now done and looks fine. Sometimes I also apply the same liquid over the lens cap. I'll do a quick lens clean. This is the protective filter. I first brush off any surface dust. I spray a little cleaning fluid on the lens cloth, not directly on the glass. For the lens itself, I use the blower for any surface dust, then the moistened lens cloth. Before putting the filter back on, I dry the surface with the blower. I don't want any moisture trapped in there. Now our beautiful camera is happy to receive the lens in as new mint condition. It looks good, don't you agree? In very rare situations, if this doesn't work, I use self-shining black liquid shoe polish and brush it on in the same way. The same can also be done to rejuvenate the leatherette. Anyway, this job is done now. Subscribe means thank you.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh. You think I would look pretty on your own.